Scheduling a webinar from the web portal just takes a few clicks. Once you've signed in, click the Webinars tab and click Schedule a Webinar. You're able to set a topic and a description of that webinar, choose the date, time, and duration of that webinar, and enable registration if it's required for your webinars. Once you have scheduled that webinar, you're able to scroll down to the bottom and look at the invitation section where you can invite panelists and set what needs to be selected and approved for attendees. Once you hit the edit button, you can choose whether attendees are automatically approved when they register or manually approved. You're able to add custom questions like the state they're from, their company, and even choose some custom questions that you would like to create. Once that webinar has been created, you'll have a registration link that users can access. Once they access that URL, they're taken to the registration page where they can register for your webinar to receive a confirmation email so that they can attend.